The history of Sapphire Technical Solutions is that we have started this company in 2005. We have staff members that have been in the industry for over 30 years, and we are the first ISO 17025 accredited laboratory in the US for light testing or optical radiation. Typically, we make equipment for the entire industry of lighting, not just automotive, so aerospace and commercial lighting also, but automotive safety equipment is actually our specialty.
The forward lighting industry has been struggling lately to provide as much visibility as possible for the driver of the vehicle while not blinding oncoming traffic. And so this has been one of the most intense areas recently as far as their developments go. The other thing that's become very important to them is signature lighting, which is to try and distinguish their brand by using LED markings on the headlights, the taillights, various areas of the car.
The next type of technology being used is lasers, and it's already out there in a few vehicles. On top of that, now there is even the advent of projector-style lamps. They've come up with designs for a projector, very much like a high-definition projector for watching a movie, and it creates the light pattern that goes down the road. So they can now create any pattern to block out the vehicle in front of you so you don't blind the person who's driving in front of you, to block out when someone's coming at you, and to put as much light down the road as possible.
STS is at the forefront of the automotive light testing industry. We design custom products for customers. We make everything in-house, so oftentimes there are just no other solutions out there.
From concept to product, we generally start with meeting with the customer, understanding what their needs are, and then we also figure out what they expect out of our systems. From there, we go through a brainstorming exercise to figure out ideas and concepts. Our customers primarily rely on us to create a system that's both robust and repeatable. One of the newer tools that we utilize at STS is 3D renderings now. We basically 3D model a system, first on CAD programs such as SolidWorks. Then we actually take these models and put them through a photorealistic program and make it seem as if it was an actual manufactured product. This allows the customers to see beforehand what they're buying and what it looks like, and how the system is used before actually pulling the trigger on it.
Our camera-based photometry systems at STS are used to capture the light patterns from vehicles. If we capture separate files from each lamp, we can then load them into our post-processing software called BeamScale HF. This software then analyzes those files. Our software calculates how their lamps are going to perform, both low beams and high beams, and it's able to give them a representative number of how they can expect that vehicle to perform. The goniophotometer is a machine which measures light by swiveling a lamp on a platform. It shines down a 100-foot tunnel and records the light very, very accurately. It's needed worldwide. Every lighting manufacturer must use this machine in order to certify that their lights pass government regulations.
STS's greatest achievements include the continued improvement of our AP60 goniophotometer, also the evolution of some visual optical aiming equipment.
One of the products that we designed here was a VOA 400 system, which is basically a compact light tunnel system. Bounces light around between mirrors to allow a headlamp to be shined on a surface that simulates it at much further distance than allowable on a floor space. It allows it to be used in a manufacturing and production facility without taking up too much floor space.
One of the greatest achievements for STS is our training. We have in-class training basically pertaining to the automotive industry and all the standards pertaining to automotive, as well as hands-on in our state-of-the-art laboratory that is ISO 17025 accredited, located at our headquarters in Charlotte, North Carolina.
STS has created a trust with our customers for years, and they understand that we are involved in this industry primarily just the testing of light, photometrics.
Sapphire Technical Solutions has been on the leading edge of technology for photometric test equipment since the inception of the company. We strive to take care of our customers and provide them with solutions to their lighting issues.
We have a lot of car and lighting manufacturers that are interested in passing not just the legal requirements of automotive lighting, but typically now the IIHS, the Insurance Institute of Highway Safety, has come up with a protocol for deciding if a vehicle lighting is appropriate and aimed correctly. So they're not actually judging if the lights are good or bad for themselves, but sometimes they're just judging how well they've been aimed on the vehicles. So most of our latest accomplishments have been in equipment to help the industry do that.